Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Let's get started. Let's explore the word, who. Who means used to inquire about or refer to a person or people. You can use who to inquire about the identity of a person or people. For example, when you want to know the person responsible for an action, ask about someone's identity, or refer to a specific individual, you would use who in your question or statement. In a sentence, you could say, he asked, who is the new employee, as he wanted to meet the person joining the team. Now, repeat after me. Who? Who? Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Who is coming to the party?
John, Mary, and Lisa are coming.
Who won the competition?
Tom won first place.
Who is in charge of the project?
Emily is leading the project.
Who is the CEO of the company?
Jane Smith is the CEO.
Who is the author of this book?
Mark Twain wrote this book.
Who is your favorite actor?
Tom Hanks is my favorite actor.
Who is your role model?
My grandmother is my role model.
Who is the President of the United States?
Joe Biden is the president.
Who is the captain of the team?
Alex is the team captain.
Who is responsible for this mess?
I am sorry, I made the mistake.
Who is your favorite musician?
I love Beyoncé's music.
Who is that person standing over there?
That's my neighbor, Mr. Johnson.
Who is going to drive us to the airport?
My brother will drive us.
Who is going to be the speaker at the conference?
Dr. Smith will be speaking.
Who is your favorite character in the book?
I like Harry Potter the most.
Who is the director of the movie?
Steven Spielberg directed the movie.
Who is the lead singer of the band?
Jenny is the lead singer.
Who is going to fix the broken window?
The maintenance team will take care of it.
Who is responsible for feeding the pets?
My sister is responsible for feeding them.
And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.